3, 2, 1.
When do organs and organ systems begin to develop in humans? The answer is B, before birth. What is a female mouse known as? The answer is D, a doe. Which flower blooms only at night? The answer is C, night-blooming cereus. What top-grossing movie of 1998 features the daughter of Aerosmith's frontman in the role of Grace Stamper? The answer is D, Armageddon. I am often associated with light and truth. Am I Prometheus or a goddess? The answer is D, Athena. Who discovered America first? The answer is B, Leif Erikson. What do all chemical reactions need to get started? The answer is A, activation energy. What was Mrs. Corleone's first name in the Mario Puzo novel The Godfather? The answer is A, K. What do you call the point at which the entire weight of a body may be considered to be concentrated? The answer is D, center of gravity. What term is not the same as energy, but means the energy per unit charge? The answer is C, voltage. Which tech giant's logo is a stylized capital and lowercase g? The answer is B, Google. Which law describes the motion of a body in a vacuum? The answer is A, Newton's first law. At the time of the fictional War of the Ring, who were the only surviving leaders of the Noldor? The answer is C, Galadriel and Celeborn. Which of these is the French word for fish? The answer is A, poison. What nickname is Silvio Berlusconi known by? The answer is B, Il Cavaliere the Knight. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during the Cuban Missile Crisis? The answer is A, Nikita Khrushchev. In which film did Penelope Cruz and Tom Cruise star together? The answer is C, Vanilla Sky. What does the term a positive review of systems refer to? The answer is A, to every symptom question, the patient says yes. Which country has the largest number of UN vetoes? The answer is C, China. In what year did Ed McMahon and Johnny Carson join The Tonight Show? The answer is B, 1962. Which programming language was used for writing the Linux operating system? The answer is A, C++. Some compounds containing hydrogen are members of an important class of substances known as what? The answer is D, acids. Who is the Mayan god of maize and agriculture? The answer is A, Quetzalcoatl. What is the name of the chemical process that splits water into hydrogen and oxygen? The answer is B, electrolysis. What was the name of the hotel that the guys and gals lived in on the popular 80s television show Bosom Buddies? The answer is D, Susan B. Anthony Hotel. What language is called Esperanto? The answer is A, artificial language. What changes nitrogen gas from the atmosphere to nitrogen compounds that plants can absorb?
The answer is A, bacteria.
What was the capital of ancient Rome? The answer is D, Rome. Which team won the first ever World Series in baseball? The answer is B, Boston Red Sox. Which chemical is used in photosynthesis by plants to store energy? The answer is A, AP. What is a chivalric order in medieval times? The answer is B, a group of knights. Which mountain has a railway line running through it, Jungfrau or Zugspitze? The answer is B, Zugspitze. Which celestial body has rings orbiting it? The answer is C, Saturn. Which component emits electrons when it receives light? The answer is C, vacuum tube. Which iconic brand was founded by Frederick Woolworth? The answer is C, Woolworth. How many times does the Earth complete a revolution around the Sun in a decade? The answer is C, 10. A3, B1, and legal are typical names of sizes for what object? The answer is C, paper. Who composed The Four Seasons? The answer is C, Antonio Vivaldi. How many electrons does lithium have? The answer is A, 3. What tool is used by archers to shoot arrows in target shooting competitions? The answer is B, bow. Which TV show is set in a prison and features characters like Michael Scofield and Lincoln Burrows? The answer is A, Prison Chronicles. Who won the World Cup in 2014? The answer is D, Argentina. Which TV show was about a group of scientists in a fictional lab? The answer is B, Big Bang Theory. What do we call the lowest layer of the atmosphere? The answer is C, troposphere. The main character of which novel by Thorne Smith is turned into a skeleton? The answer is B, Skin and Bones. Who collaborated with Aretha Franklin on the 1987 single I Knew You Were Waiting For Me? The answer is C, George Michael. In the movie Friday the 13th, just before Steve heads back to the camp, he is at a little cafe. What is the name of the waitress that is working there? The answer is B, Sandy. Air is an example of what state of matter? The answer is B, gas. Hormones often regulate what through antagonistic functions? The answer is C, homeostasis. Which theory suggests that people have an innate desire for self-actualization?